Okay, so I've done the decorative part of my name tag, but even if I glue these in, there's a good chance these shapes will just fall out the back. So we need to add a base. So to do that, I'm going to need to extrude a base down like this. You could try using these shapes to help you with the extrude, but the truth is it can get quite complicated with other shapes on there. So I'm actually going to hide all of these components. And what I really want is I just want my sketch. Okay, so I'm just going to click home so I can get oriented. So what I want to do though is instead of extruding it up, I'm going to extrude it down. So now I'm going to go get my extrude tool and I'm just going to click on all the different parts. So I have to click on every closed shape to make sure it selects everything. And I'm going to click on that and that. And I want it to go down. So if I drag the arrow down, you can see it actually goes minus. So instead of going 3, I'm going to go -3. And here under operation, I want to make sure it's a new component. I'm going to click OK. And so now I'm going to rename this right away. I'm going to call it base. And I think before I turn on, and I'm just going to turn my sketches off there so I can see it a bit better. And now, so you can see here, it's actually created it below the work plane. Okay. So now I think I'm just going to go and add a appearance to it. I think I'll paint it black. Do all this before I turn everything else on. And so now that I've done that, if I turn on my outside black lettering, so I've got my 2 layers. And I've got my white lettering and I've got my red climber. And there's my final name tag ready to send to Kunjut.